Hi guys. Well, it's like Wednesday evening here in London, and it's like 7:40, and I'm still out. Obviously, I'm still in London. Just waiting for my train to go back home because it's the fastest way to do it. So this is my day today. I have to come up to the head office because we had a meeting, and it's been like a long day. I'm tired. Oof. But at least I don't have to travel tomorrow. So this is what it looks like at nearly 8 o'clock in the evening here in England. It's already dark and I'm hungry. But I felt sick earlier on, so I threw up. It's just sometimes I'm like this when I eat too much, when I'm full, I can't be full or else I'll be sick. So and I had to the doctor showed me. I just like it wasn't a lot of food, but it's just like for me it's too much to take on because I don't eat a lot. I just like nibble, but that was like it's like too fattening for me when I when I see fried, or it was just like chicken, pork, but it was like when there's lots of oil. So I bought some like Korean lunch and it did not get along with my stomach and I just felt sick. So so it's dark and I'll show you with trains passing by, but mine is coming in about 15 minutes.
I'm at the train station next to my office. I'm coming home. I want to talk to you.
It's quiet. I think everybody's already home. I don't blame them. Just like few people probably still waiting for to go back to where they are. Just like myself. I'm sorry, just I don't feel very well, so my voice is like cranky. I've not been sleeping that good, but life goes on, and you eliminate the trouble that comes your way. So it's such a big station, this one. It's only two actually, but it's quite long. But there's trains every time passing by both sides, which is good. Greater London I am at the moment. See the ads? Fly at your own attitude. So fly with Virgin Atlantic. I love that. You're sipping a coffee.
That doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police.
Virgin Atlantic is one of the good planes. They're very reliable. It's like the British Airways in England. Oh, it's quite nice. It's dark and it's chilly, but I'm wearing my blazer. So I don't feel so cold by my feet. They are, because I'm wearing heels, sandals still. So just stay tuned with me. There's nothing much to say, but just showing you the travels I do whenever I get a chance to travel, and vlogging this, what a good transport we have here in the UK, in London, in England. We got trains, fast train to go back, connect from one place to another, so you don't really need to drive to central London unless if you live in London. Parking is very expensive, that's one thing for sure, but here's something. That's dark. See, I just have this, my favorite drink, Mugo Mugo, and it's a mango flavor. Mugo Mugo, it's a Korean drink. Mugo Mugo, what do I have? I am drinking Mugo Mugo, and that. Woo! See, that is side by side train. Well, anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you had a great time watching the trains passing by. You're keeping me company on my video. Thank you. Bye.